Hello everyone, today we're going to be making cheeseburger egg rolls just like you can get at the Magic Kingdom. Sliced dill pickles, mustard, and onion.
And also Worcestershire sauce, 1 pound of ground beef, and spring roll wrappers. In the meat, the recipe did call for minced onions, like as far as like fresh onions, but we didn't have an onion. We forgot onions, so we just used, that's why we used the seasoning mix. And so we're gonna brown this. Hadley's gonna help me. And then we'll be ready to add the cheese. And over here, while that's cooking, we did mince or dice up pretty small, a ½ cup of pickles. And then we cut up 6 ounces of the Velveeta. The fat off of the meat. We're gonna add that back into the skillet. Add the cheese. You got it? All right, and we're gonna give this a mix until it's all melty. All right, meat is ready. We're ready to add the pickles. Go ahead and add those in, Chef Hadley. So pickles in, and then we need to add 3 tablespoons of mustard and 5 shakes of Worcestershire sauce. Hadley's adding in the last tablespoon of mustard. And then we're going to stir this up. Okay, so for the spring roll wrappers, the instructions on the package say to dip them in warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds and then put them on a flat surface and fill them. So we're going to do that now. Don't push it down. So we're going to fill it. It's on here, maybe a little more than that. Maybe not so much.
We're done, and we made 9 egg rolls.
And we are ready to fry them. So we have about 1.5 cups, maybe a little less, of oil. And we're going to put those in and get them nice and crispy. All right, they're getting nice and crispy. Some air pockets. Are you excited to try them?
They look so delicious.
Okay, so we had a little mishap. For some reason, they stuck to my pan. I don't know if maybe some of the nonstick coating was off, and they don't look so pretty. This one came out kind of okay. This one's kind of okay. These were completely just deconstructed. So we're gonna try with the rest. We're heating up some oil in this pan that's a little more nonstick, and we'll try it with that. Hopefully that works out. Okay, so they're definitely not pretty.
No.
Some of them messed up in the fryer. I think, hold on, I think what would help is if we had a deep fryer, and we do not. But I think these would have worked better in the deep fryer.
What is that?
They're cheeseburger egg rolls. Hayden's come to taste test for us. All right, take a taste. These aren't like regular egg rolls. He's not a fan of regular egg rolls. These are cheeseburger in the middle. What do you think?
That is really good.
Okay, so even though they're not pretty, they taste good. What do you think, Hadley? They taste really good?
1,000 thumbs up.
So I'm the only one that has officially had one of these in the Magic Kingdom, so I think I need to give it a taste test. So it's pretty good. Not as good as the ones in the Magic Kingdom, but that may be partly the ambiance. Oh, Daddy's come to taste test too.
It tastes really
There's
good.
nothing like walking up to the egg roll cart in Adventureland and getting some of these. So that might be part of it, but still pretty good.
Like, they're delicious, they're not pretty, and they're a mess. but even though they're messy and not pretty, they, like, most of all, they're very delicious.
Pretty good. So we give this recipe
1,000.
2 thumbs up. Definitely be careful when you're frying them, because ours did stick. But I think if you had a deep fryer, you'd be good to go.
Like, if you ever try this at home, if you have a kid, just make sure that they don't get, like, by the pan, because I got burned.
She got a little too close and got popped by the grease. So definitely be careful with that. But we will link the recipe that we used in the description below. And
Subscribe.
you've got your mouth full. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join us on our next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.